I invite our head of the department, Professor Tombre, to speak a few words about the workshop and also the departments.
Yeah, thank you, TVKG. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Thank you. So, coordinator of today's program, Dr. TVK Gupta, and dear participants, I am told there are about 70 participants all across the India. So, good afternoon to all of you. And congratulations for completing this 1 week workshop on metal additive manufacturing, MAM-2021, being organized by our department under coordinatorship of Dr. TVK Gupta. This is second program under Atal program, this STTP we are conducting this year. First one was on discrete modeling by Dr. Nitin Kumar Lauture. Dr. TVK Gupta is a very dynamic and enthusiastic person of our department. And I'm sure you must have enjoyed the short-term program under his coordinatorship. It would have been better, had this workshop been conducted in offline mode on campus. That would have been more joyous. But because of this pandemic, we are unable to hold such programs in offline mode, and that's why this is being conducted in online mode. Now, ours is the department which is very old, and the institute started with our department in 1960. We are celebrating our Diamond Jubilee, or rather, we celebrated our Diamond Jubilee last year. We offer about 1 UG program and 4 PG programs. Also offer PhD programs, and we have very sophisticated and high-tech equipments available in the area of biomedical engineering, CAD/CAM engineering, renewable energy systems, and also through this Center of Excellence established by Siemens. We have state-of-the-art facilities in the area of robotics, automation, reverse engineering, etc. So, lot many things you have missed because you are not on campus. But anyway, whenever you find opportunity to visit our campus in future, and the things will permit you to visit our campus, then please do drop in. Meet the coordinator, Dr. TVK Gupta, and you can use our facilities also for your research or further requirements. I think Dr. TVK Gupta has made various experts available to you for conducting this short-term program. And, you must have been benefited by their experience and thoughts. I'm sure this 5 days hands-on training, and it's not hands-on training, 5 days training, whatever we have conducted is not sufficient to make you expert in this area. But whatever the minimum it can do, it can trigger a spark in you to take up some projects. Whatever objective you have set while attending this program, if that gets satisfied, I think we are successful in conducting this program. Many of you might have joined this program for promotional scope to be made available, or some of you might be looking at the program from research point of view, the PhD point of view, or some of you may be looking from the entrepreneurship point of view. If we are able to trigger the spark in you, I think our program will be a good success. So obviously, because your objectives are different and we cannot design a program, which will meet every requirement of every individual. So there will be some shortcomings in the program. So I thought, it's better we should have taken the feedback first and should have discussed. But nevertheless, you can take the feedback and come back to us. Give good feedback, genuine feedback, sincere feedback, so that we can improve on it. Not just a pat on our back, but maybe a few criticism that will help to improve our program. That is what is expected. Be sincere to yourself while giving the feedback. And then again, at the end, I will wish you good luck in all your whatever you will be doing in future. Best luck for that. So thank you, TVK. Thank you for calling.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we'll have one photograph with all the participants with the video on.
Yeah, sure. So I request all to start their video.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
We can have one photograph with sir. Yeah, Nikhil or Prayag, they can take a photograph.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you,
Sir,
sir.
done.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
TVK आ गए photos?
आगे sir,
Yes, sir.
आगे. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you
Okay,
for your
okay,
kind
okay.
words and
I'll
encouragement.
leave the meeting now. Huh?
Sure, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
continue
sir.
with the feedback session.
I'll do it, sir. I'll do it. Thank you, sir. Yeah, let us have a quick feedback so that we can start our quiz at 3:30. I have shared the link. That link will be activated at 3:30 only. So I request some of you to speak about the workshop where we can improve. Whatever you feel, you please share with us. One by one, we can have it. Anyone can talk actually. If there is no feedback, it is understood that the workshop went very bad.
Okay.
Yeah, Dr. Anand.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you very much, Professor Gupta, for taking all efforts to conduct this workshop in a very meticulous fashion. We are happy that, most of the speakers who I attended, I'm meeting them for the first time online. So that way it was good. And to have an industry speaker in the lot is also good. That is Dr. Deepa Srinivasan. Maybe few more industrial speakers would have done better, because we are not really sure, since it's a new area, who are all working in this area, we are not 100% sure. So that way attending this workshop helped in understanding who are all the academicians who are working in this area. A few more industry people, if you know, it will be better, I think.
No, there are many people who are there in the industries, but they said that so they cannot talk for 1.5 hours. They can talk for 10 minutes to 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So that was the reason. Otherwise, we got contacts from Wipro, Bangalore, GE Bangalore is there, and there is one company in Hyderabad. What is that? Diamond Laser is there. We have our own industry partner. So they are saying that we are not academicians. Had it been clear, they would have shown all the facilities also.
Yeah, that's fine, sir. I'm not complaining. I'm just telling.
No. I understood actually. I understood. Every
Yes,
time
sir,
we
yes,
used
sir.
to have at least 3 to 4 industry people in our most of the workshop at VMIT.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Thank
That
you.
is fine. And maybe where all these facilities related to metal additive manufacturing are there? If it is kind of shared, it will be helpful. Region-wise, it will be helpful because
Sure.
physical proximity to the resource will always help in.
I understand because whoever is the speaker who talked in our workshop, no, everyone is having their facilities.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
like, I will be sharing all the contact numbers, email addresses. They have asked me not to share their mobile numbers, but their email address and their address I will be sharing on the Excel sheet with all the participants.
Okay, sir.
And what I thought is that I will share all the videos I have downloaded, all the videos at one location. I will be sharing in the drive. If somebody wants to have a video, they can have that video with them.
Yes,
I
sir,
will
yes, sir.
share I will share with them in the Google folder. You can download if you want it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Compared to a physical workshop, one major constraint is we don't get to interact with the other participants. That is one of the major constraints.
That is
I mean, that is we are helpless. We are in a helpless situation. Otherwise, all the contents of the workshop were very good, and everyone deeply covered the subjects with so much passion. They had covered the subjects. That way, it was very much useful. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Some more. I really agree with Dr. Ronald. And definitely, if actually this workshop also initially I proposed to Atal as an offline workshop. They have approved offline initially. But after 15 days, they have sent a mail saying that because of this pandemic, we are converting offline also only online.
Okay,
Otherwise,
sir.
it
No
was
problem.
everything planned for offline only.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Understood.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is A.S. Rao from VJTA Mumbai.
Oh, you are from VJT Mumbai. Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
It's the facilities what the researchers, basically the researchers team actually you have contacted very nicely. And the topics which are really helpful, I felt always whatever the each session I have attended, and I felt it is really helpful, and all are research topics, and very useful, sir. I mean, starting from your topic and your research team, and all other, research team, all are research based only. So really, most of the attendees are, I think, faculty members. So they are this gives the new direction to them, and it helpful. It will be very much helpful to them. That was actually my feeling.
Yes.
But recordings, because one time hearing is not sufficient. If you can able to, I mean, like you said earlier, it may be available on YouTube. All the recordings, they can revise it, refresh it whenever they want. So that they can it can be used as a permanent source for them. So that will be very wonderful, sir.
Definitely.
You said this cannot be shared. I can understand that. So at least the recordings, if you can share, so all the
Recordings
participants.
definitely I'll share with all the participants.
Yeah. But there was some feedback that Atal is not sharing even after months also. But you can take some initiative, and you can make arrange that recordings are available, so that whenever we want on a particular topic,
These recordings,
can,
my whatever the workshop recordings, no, I will be sharing in the drive. You can download within 15-20 days, and then I will remove from the drive actually.
Okay, fine. That will be fantastic, sir.
Definitely,
And
definitely I'll do.
I'm sincerely expressing my thanks here, along with all the participants, that your sincere efforts made this very successful, I hope, and it's very useful, sir. Thank you very much from my side, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your
That's
colleague is also here only today from VJTI.
Who is Mastud, sir?
From Shinde, Dr. Shinde, industry.
Dr. Shinde, acha. Okay, sir.
He is just reaching in 10 minutes to my office.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
So I know him very well, sir. He is in production department. I am in mechanical department.
Yes.
I am in mechanical department. I
Yes,
am looking after Technical Excellence Center. We have FDM mission and some CM and 5-axis CNC machine. So I may approach for some time for my, I have 3-4 students under me who is working in this area, PhD.
Definitely. You're most welcome actually. You're most welcome. I regularly come to VJT at least once in a year actually.
Oh, thank you, sir. I could not meet you earlier, but definitely we will be in touch with.
Sure, sir, definitely.
Touch with you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
much.
you very much. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Anyone else?
Good afternoon, sir. Amit here.
Yeah, Amit. Good afternoon, Amit. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Amit Takhane from SB Jain College of Engineering in Nagpur. This is my second consecutive FDP in those many years. Like even last year, I attended sir's FDP. Along with a couple of my colleagues, we have been regularly attending the activities that have been executed. First of all, I would like to say all the speakers gave a very comprehensive overview of their topics. Secondly, I think the coordination and communication for the FDP was very immaculate. We got all the communication well in advance so that there was no miscommunication as such. Only thing I think that was not lefting is, as Thomre sir said, that we were not able to visit the premises. I think next year we look forward to coming down and attending an FDP behind itself, sir. Will it be a possibility? I think Gupta sir would be able to tell us.
Definitely, sir. In fact, actually, to be just to have some information, I made a proposal that this December 15th to 31st, I have planned for a 15 days program, and only 25 people will be coming on campus, and they will be working extensively. And this work has to go at least for a conference or a small journal. We planned everything. I have planned using this DST platform, but unfortunately, it did not happen. Otherwise, definitely I will at least in the next year. Definitely, I'll plan for 15 days workshop, and everything will be like a hands-on. I will plan actually.
And there is a confession that I would like to make. Dr. Gupta sir is very helpful in any and every help that you require in your research or any other related activity. I have myself experienced this, and I would like suggest, or I would ask other participants as well to have a word with him on a regular basis, because he has been doing research in this area extensively. He will definitely help you in whatever capacity you require, and I think let us hope that we get to meet each other next year. All the participants here who are attending, let us hope that we get to meet each other next year. That would be it from my side, sir.
Definitely. Okay, what we can do is that next year when we plan 1-day session, we will plan in your institute. That is better.
Definitely, sir. I would be really obliged. It would be
Yes,
a wonderful thing to do.
Definitely, we'll do it. Thank you, Amit.
Once you apply for approval by respective role, can apply.
Sir.
Yeah, you can someone talk? Who you want to talk? Abhishek, you want to talk? Yeah, there is one Dr. Balachandra want to talk, it seems.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Sir,
sir.
Gupta, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to everyone. Sir, myself is M. Balachandra from VR Siddhartha Engineering College, Vijayawada. Sir, I would like to thank you once again, sir, to join this, to conducting this event wonderfully, sir. Sir, really, it's a very amazing workshop, sir. The reason is I have developed an fabrication 3D modeling 3D modeling machine, sir. This is the 3D modeling.
Oh, very good.
In our laboratory. Actually, we have a lot of doubts created in my mind. So, by this program, we are clarified almost 70 to 80 80% of doubts, sir. That's why I'm very thankful to you, sir, and also your team also, sir.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed a lot, sir. Actually, physically I attended 2019 Triple M in our esteemed university in our college. So how much enjoying a lot here also. I am actually what I am saying I don't know, sir. But actually it is in a very wonderful. It is helpful to a lot for me especially, sir. Thank you
Thank
once again, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Gupta,
you.
sir, and our team also, sir. Thank you.
Abhishek, you want to say something, it seems. Abhishek Kumar. We have 7 minutes left. Abhishek, are you there? Okay. I think he's in a mute. Yeah, please. If somebody want to say something, you can say. Otherwise, we can stop here, and I will thank all the participants for their wonderful participation. And the link will be activated at 3:30. And before going, let us have a small photograph if everyone agrees. Like everyone videos on in that case. Can we have a video on? Yeah. Can someone take the photograph, Prayat? Nikhil?
Yes, sir. I'm taking.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you very much. So I have sent the link on the group. Please, and any point of time, you are most welcome to mail us for any difficulties if you are facing in your work. You are most welcome. And as our head of the department said, please visit us at your convenience. We are always there to help. And we have a lot of facilities where you can use for your research and your student purposes also. Right? Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. And I'll stop here if you don't have any questions, actually. So, everyone, please be ready with the quiz. We will start exactly at 3:30. I'll stop here. You can leave this meeting if you want to, if you have any issues. Actually. Bye, everyone.